We have a customer base that is trying to electrify their fleet, convert their diesel to electric. They need to do this at scale, and this is mission critical operations, so they need high quality reliability. So we need a partner to be able to do exactly that. Kinetyc was the right fit because they've been able to demonstrate those true attributes that we need in the quality and the scale.
Kinetyc is a sister division spin-off from Detroit Manufacturing Systems, based on the idea that we are an adaptive contract manufacturing partner for any industry out there. The relationship with InductEV and Kinetyc started in the summer of 2023. They were looking to move from a prototype operation as their order base started to increase, and realized that they needed to move to an organization that was more professional, that could help them scale to meet demand, that could improve their processes to meet the quality standards their downstream customers expected.
We found the operational efficiency through their automotive background, and they want to make sure that you succeed with your near-term and long-term goals, and they help you get there. They have given us input on process improvements. Their engineering team has given us improvement in process design. If someone was going to ask me about Kinetyc, I would tell them they're engaged. They're a true partner in your product development process, and they ensure success for their customer and themselves as well.
Between our vehicle assemblies, which is a part of our technology, and the ground assemblies, we produce the most than we ever have in our history. It's quality, it's scalability, and it's a partnership. The partnership I need to emphasize because all those elements of growth take levels of communication, a working cadence, and that extension of the team. So you can count on each other to be able to scale and scale the right way.
At Kinetyc, we're your contract manufacturing partner. We bring over 100 years of automotive experience to help bring your products to market. We specialize in lower volume, high quality, high complex products with a global supply chain management team. Come visit us at kinetyc.com.